Hello everyone and welcome to this exciting video on what's next after mastering Python. So you've learned Python and built a strong foundation. Now what? In this video, we'll explore how you can take your Python skills to the next level by expanding your expertise, specializing in advanced domains, and creating a standout professional profile. Whether you're aiming to become an AI expert, a certified professional, or a leader in your field, this guide has something for you. Let's dive in and explore the endless possibilities Python can open up for your career. Introduction. When starting your Python learning journey, it's essential to align your studies with your career objectives. Python is a versatile and widely used programming language that serves as a foundation for numerous domains, such as web development, data analysis, machine learning, and cloud computing. Each career path requires a specific level of Python proficiency and focuses on different skill sets. By tailoring your learning process to your chosen field, you can develop the necessary expertise efficiently and effectively. For instance, someone interested in automating repetitive tasks might focus on scripting and mastering essential Python modules. On the other hand, an aspiring web developer would benefit from learning frameworks like Flask or Django. Data engineers and scientists would dive deeper into libraries for data manipulation analysis, such as Pandas and NumPy, or tools like PySpark for big data processing. This structured guide provides an overview of how to approach Python learning based on your career goals. It highlights job opportunities, the scope of each field, essential tools and technologies to explore, and the potential for future growth. By following this roadmap, you can confidently navigate your Python learning journey and position yourself for success in your chosen career. 1. Basic and advanced Python scripting. Who needs this? This path is ideal for two types of learners. First, beginners who are stepping into the world of programming and need a foundational understanding of Python. Second, professionals aiming to automate repetitive tasks or enhance their scripting capabilities for operational efficiency. If you fall into either of these categories, this path is tailored for you. Learning path. 1. Basic Python. Start by mastering the fundamentals of Python. This includes understanding variables, data types, loops, and conditionals to build basic logic. Next, focus on writing functions to modularize your code, learn error handling to deal with unexpected situations, and explore file handling for reading and writing data. Familiarize yourself with basic Python modules such as OS for system operations, random for generating random data, and datetime for handling dates and times. 2. Advanced Python. Once you're comfortable with the basics, move to advanced concepts like object-oriented programming to create reusable and structured code. Learn powerful features like decorators for enhancing functionality, generators for memory-efficient iterations, and multi-threading for handling concurrent tasks. Dive into advanced libraries such as iter tools for efficient looping, func tools for higher-order functions, and collections for specialized data structures. Applications. Python scripting is widely used for automation and productivity enhancement. You can write scripts to automate file handling tasks or extract data from various sources. Additionally, you can build command line tools to streamline everyday tasks, saving time and effort. Job openings. With these skills, you can explore roles such as an automation engineer, where you focus on scripting workflows and automating tasks. Another option is becoming a Python developer for scripting and tooling, which involves creating specialized tools. Alternatively, you can work as a system administrator with Python automation skills to optimize system processes. Job market share. The demand for Python scripting roles is estimated to be around 10 to 15% of the market, indicating a steady requirement for these skills across industries. Additional technologies tools to complement your Python scripting skills. Bash or PowerShell, these tools allow you to integrate Python scripts with operating system level commands for enhanced functionality. Cron or Task Scheduler use these to automate script execution at regular intervals, ensuring efficiency. Git essential for version control and collaborative coding. Future scope. As businesses strive for operational efficiency, automation roles are projected to grow. Python scripting will remain a valuable skill for tackling routine tasks and optimizing workflows. When to stop. If your primary goal is limited to simple automation or scripting, there's no need to proceed beyond this point. Focus on solidifying your skills in basic and advanced Python concepts to meet your specific requirements. 2. Python with Flask Django web development. Who needs this? This learning path is designed for aspiring web developers who want to create dynamic websites and applications. It is also ideal for backend engineers who specialize in building recipes or aim to work as full stack developers by integrating Python based backends with JavaScript based frontends. Learning path. Prerequisites. Start with a foundational understanding of Python scripting. Basic knowledge of writing functions, handling data, and working with Python modules is sufficient to begin. Frameworks. Choose between two popular frameworks. Flask, a lightweight framework suitable for simple and flexible web applications. Django, a robust framework with pre-built features for complex projects. Learn the core concepts of routing, mapping URLs to functions, templating, rendering dynamic content, and middleware managing request response flow. Key concepts. Focus on create, read, update, delete operations with databases like Glide or PostgreSQL. Build RESTful APIs that handle data and provide functionality like authentication, token management, and JSON and responses. These are essential for modern web applications. Tools and practices. Use Postman to test your APIs efficiently. Deploy your web applications to platforms like Heroku or AWS, enabling them to be accessible over the internet. And applications. Mastering Flask or Django enables you to build various web applications. Examples include e-commerce platforms for online shopping, blogging sites for publishing content, or RESTful APIs that serve as backends for mobile or web apps. Job openings. With these skills, you can pursue roles such as Python backend developer, where you'll focus on building efficient and scalable backends. Full stack developer by pairing Python with JavaScript frameworks like React.js or Angular. API developer, specializing in building and managing APIs. Job market share. Web development accounts for 20 to 30% of job openings in Python related roles. This reflects the growing demand for web applications and backend development expertise. Additional technologies tools to enhance your capabilities in web development. JavaScript Basics, learn this to build interactive front-end features. React.js or Angular, these frameworks help you create dynamic and responsive front-ends for full stack projects. Docker, use this to containerize your applications, ensuring consistency across environments. Nginx or Gunicon, these tools are essential for deploying Flask Django applications in production. Future scope. The need for web developers is expected to rise as businesses expand their digital presence. Whether it's building websites, APIs, or complex web applications, the demand for these skills will continue to grow. When to stop? Advanced Python scripting knowledge is unnecessary unless you encounter specific project complexities. Focus on mastering web development concepts and tools related to your immediate goals. This path equips you with the skills needed to excel in web application development. 3. Python with Spark Big Data Processing. Who needs this? This path is tailored for data engineers who manage and process large scale datasets and for professionals in ETL extract, transform load processes who work on data pipelines. If you handle massive amounts of data and aim to optimize its storage, transformation, and analysis, this path is for you. Learning path. Prerequisites. Start with a solid understanding of basic Python scripting. Familiarity with Python's data handling and modular programming capabilities is crucial for working with big data frameworks like Spark. Big data fundamentals. Before diving into Spark, learn the basics of distributed computing, which is the foundation of big data processing. Explore ecosystems like Hadoop to understand how data is stored and processed across multiple nodes. PySpark. PySpark, the Python API for Apache Spark, is a key tool in this domain. Learn the following. Data frame operations work with structured data efficiently. RD's resilient distributed datasets handle unstructured or semi-structured data. Spark SQL query data using SQL-like syntax. Focus on processing and validating data to ensure accuracy and reliability. Advanced topics. Once you're comfortable with the basics, explore. Performance optimization, learn techniques like caching, partitioning, and tuning Spark jobs for efficiency. Real-time data streams use Spark streaming to process real-time data, a critical skill for time-sensitive analytics and alerts. Applications. With Python and Spark, you can process massive datasets efficiently. Typical applications include processing terabytes of data for generating reports or dashboards. You can also use these skills to validate and transform data for machine learning pipelines, ensuring the data is clean and ready for modeling. Job openings. Professionals skilled in Python and Spark can apply for roles such as data engineer Python Spark focused on building and maintaining data pipelines. ETL developer specializing in extracting, transforming, and loading data. Big data analyst analyzing and deriving insights from large data sets. Job market share. Big data roles account for approximately 10 to 15% of Python related job opportunities. This share is steadily growing as industries increasingly rely on data driven decision making. Additional technologies tools to enhance your skill set in big data processing. Hadoop provides a foundational understanding of big data storage and processing. Kafka, a powerful tool for managing and handling real time data streams. Airflow automates workflows and data pipelines. AWS Glue or Azure Data Factory useful for cloud-based ETL processes. Future scope. The big data analytics market is rapidly expanding and demand for professionals capable of processing and analyzing large data sets is at an all-time high. These roles are expected to grow as organizations increasingly depend on data for strategic insights. When to stop? If your role focuses solely on processing and managing data using PySpark, there's no need to dive deep into advanced Python topics. However, if you aim to create custom tools or solutions for Spark, additional Python expertise might be necessary. For Python with machine learning, deep learning AI, who needs this? This path is ideal for data scientists and AI/ML engineers who aim to build predictive models, design intelligent systems, or work in cutting edge AI research. If you are interested in solving complex problems using data, building recommendation systems, or working with generative AI, this is the path for you. Learning path. Prerequisites. You don't need advanced Python knowledge to start with machine learning. Basic Python scripting, such as understanding variables, loops, and functions, is enough to get started. Machine learning. Begin by mastering essential libraries. Scikit-learn for implementing machine learning algorithms like regression, classification, and clustering. Pandas for data manipulation and preprocessing. NumPy for efficient numerical computations. Focus on understanding core algorithms such as linear regression, decision trees, and clustering. Learn how to apply these techniques to real-world data problems. Deep learning. Move on to deep learning, where you deal with more complex problems involving neural networks. Learn frameworks like TensorFlow or PyTorch to build and train deep learning models. Study the architecture of neural networks, including convolutional neural networks CNS for image data and recurrent neural networks RNS for sequential data like time series or text. Artificial intelligence. Dive deeper into AI by exploring generative AI tools like Hugging Face and OpenAI APIs. Learn natural language processing NLP for understanding and generating human-like text. Study computer vision CV techniques to analyze and process images and videos. Applications. By following this path, you can create intelligent systems that can build recommendation systems for suggesting products or content, perform sentiment analysis to understand user opinions, develop AI chatbots that simulate human conversations, job openings. With these skills, you can explore roles such as machine learning engineer focus on building scalable models and deploying them in production. Data scientists work on extracting insights from data using ML/AI techniques. AI research engineer contribute to innovative AI applications and advanced research. Job market share. The demand for AI and machine learning roles is substantial, accounting for approximately 30 to 40% of Python related job opportunities. This reflects the rapid growth and adoption of AI technologies across industries. Additional technologies tools to strengthen your expertise. Jupyter Notebooks use this for interactive coding and visualizing results. Keras, a high-level library that simplifies deep learning workflows. Hugging Face Transformers, a powerful library for NLP and generative AI tasks. Databricks for collaborative development in data science and AI projects. Future scope. The AI and machine learning fields are evolving rapidly with advancements in tools and technologies. As industries increasingly adopt AI for automation, insights and innovation, roles in this domain are expected to grow significantly. When to stop? For most AI and machine learning applications, there's no need to dive deep into advanced Python concepts. However, if you plan to work on cutting edge research or optimize models for performance, advanced Python knowledge might be necessary. 5. Python with cloud computing. Who needs this? This path is ideal for professionals deploying applications or services on cloud platforms. If you aim to work with cloud technologies, manage cloud resources, or automate deployments, this learning path is for you. It's especially relevant for those in roles like cloud engineers or DevOps professionals. Learning path. Prerequisites. Begin with a basic understanding of Python scripting. You should know how to write functions, handle data, and use Python models effectively, as these skills will form the foundation for interacting with cloud services. Cloud tools. Learn the tools and services essential for cloud-based development. AWS Lambda understand how to write serverless functions in Python to execute tasks without managing servers. Google Cloud Functions learn how to deploy and run event-driven functions on Google Cloud. Python can also be used to manage and interact with cloud resources, making it a versatile tool for automation in cloud environments. Applications. Python's flexibility allows you to build and deploy various cloud-based applications. Examples include serverless applications write lightweight, event-driven applications using cloud functions. Cloud resource automation automate the provisioning, scaling, and management of cloud resources, enhancing efficiency and reliability. Job openings. With these skills, you can explore roles such as Cloud Engineer, Python, AWS, Azure focus on deploying and managing cloud-based applications. DevOps Engineer use Python for automation and orchestration in CI/CD pipelines. Serverless Architect design and implement scalable serverless architectures. Job market share. Cloud computing roles constitute approximately 10 to 15% of Python related job opportunities. As organizations increasingly adopt cloud solutions, this share is expected to grow. Additional technologies tools. To complement your Python skills in cloud computing, familiarize yourself with the following tools. Terraform use this for infrastructure as code AIAC, enabling you to define and manage cloud infrastructure. Kubernetes learn this for container orchestration to manage and scale cloud applications. AWS Lambda, Google Cloud Functions, Azure Functions master these for writing and deploying serverless functions. Ansible use this for automation in cloud deployments and resource management. Future scope. As more organizations migrate to the cloud, professionals with cloud computing expertise will become increasingly valuable. The demand for serverless architectures, automation, and cloud resource optimization will continue to rise, ensuring a strong future for these roles. When to stop? For most cloud computing tasks, a basic understanding of Python and cloud tools is sufficient. Only delve deeper into advanced Python topics if you aim to specialize in automation or create custom cloud management solutions. 6. What's next after mastering Python? 1. Expand your skill set. Once you have a solid grasp of Python, consider learning complementary programming languages to broaden your capabilities. For example, JavaScript ideal for enhancing web development skills and creating dynamic frontends that pair seamlessly with Python backends. Scala a powerful language for handling big data applications, especially when working with tools like Apache Spark. Expanding your knowledge in these areas allows you to work across a diverse range of projects and enhances your career prospects. 2. Specialize further. If you want to deepen your expertise, consider specializing in advanced domains. AI/ML research dive into cutting-edge areas of artificial intelligence and machine learning, working on innovations like neural networks and generative models. Managerial roles combine your technical expertise with project management skills to transition into leadership positions, overseeing teams and driving strategic initiatives. 3. Certifications. Certifications can validate your skills and make you stand out in the job market. Some valuable certifications to consider include AWS Certified Solutions Architect demonstrates expertise in designing scalable and secure cloud-based solutions. TensorFlow Developer Certificate validates your ability to create and deploy machine learning models using TensorFlow. Microsoft BP203 Data Engineering focuses on building and managing data pipelines on Microsoft Azure. These certifications not only enhance your resume but also showcase your commitment to continuous learning. 4. Build a portfolio. A strong portfolio is essential to demonstrate your skills to potential employers or collaborators. GitHub share your code and projects on GitHub to showcase your technical expertise and collaborative abilities. Personal website create a portfolio website to highlight your projects, certifications, and achievements in a visually appealing way. A well organized portfolio helps you stand out and provides tangible proof of your capabilities. 5. Contribute to open source. Engaging with the Python community and contributing to open source projects is an excellent way to gain experience and network with other professionals. Join platforms like GitHub to collaborate on popular open source projects. Participate in community discussions and forums to exchange knowledge and stay updated on industry trends. Contributing to open source not only owns your skills but also builds your reputation within the tech community. Summary. After mastering Python, the journey doesn't stop. By expanding your skill set, pursuing certifications, building a portfolio, and engaging with the community, you can position yourself for a successful and versatile career. These steps allow you to explore new opportunities, specialize in advanced domains, and make meaningful contributions to the tech industry. And that wraps up our journey into the next steps after mastering Python. Whether it's learning complementary skills, pursuing certifications, or contributing to open source, there are countless ways to grow and excel in your Python career. Remember, learning never stops. Stay curious, keep practicing, and always look for ways to push your boundaries. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding!